you like me that have backless sandals you love in the bottom of your closet that are collecting dust instead of on the dance floor kicking it out? Because every time I wear them, they keep falling off my feet. So I was trying to figure out what to do with my backless sandals in the bottom of the closet. The idea came to me while I was walking down the beach and my sandals would not stay on. And Groovy Strappies was born. The Groovy Strappies are so easy to apply. Let me show you how to do it. First, we're going to remove our Groovy Strappies from the package. There are one pair of Groovy Strappies in each package. To start, make sure the adhesive is facing outward. Slide the Groovy Strappy through your strap, around the back of your ankle, and through the other side of your sandal strap. Now, all you do is take off the adhesive liner from each side, pressing it back onto itself, and now you can step out in style. Whether you're walking down the beach in gorgeous Maui or attending a special event like your best friend's wedding in Key West, or even if you're kicking it up on the dance floor to your favorite rock band, you need Groovy Strappies, the clear elastic straps that help keep your favorite backless sandals snug on your feet. I hope you love them as much as I do.